Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I turned myself into an e-girl. See, I'm hiding my hair for the big reveal later. So why did I turn myself into an e-girl? I was scrolling through YouTube and stumbled upon many girls with bleach dyed hair streaks. They look cute, so I want to try it on myself and see if I end up cute like them. Let's get on the video.
Hi! Hi! My friend Anu is going to voice over. Yeah, I am. And I bleach my hair. This hair. Okay, ready?
Hi guys, I'm beginning now. So, welcome to Ashley's Ratchet Salon. My hair. Okay, I'm actually doing this, guys. Okay, first lay it on. Oh, hello. Ooh, look at me. A cheese piece. I look like a cheese. Oh, blondie. Round 3. Ooh, ooh. Got some white hair. I look like a grandma. What the hell is my brother doing? Tony and Guy. Toner. Oh, and we froze.
Be right back. Okay, take 2. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. It looks so fat. Anyways, we're starting. Go. A toner by Tony and Guy. Put some gloves on. Look like a surgeon. We go just splitting the hair, you know. Ooh, layer 1. There we go. Round 1. Ooh, on my roots first. Look like a unicorn. Let's go. Ugh, I hate it so far. Clip it on, wash it out. Oh my god, I think I really like it. Like, let's turn it with some mask round 2. Come on, saturated everything. Here is the results. Oh my god, it's going so fast. Ta-da! I think I kind of like it. Oof, cutie. Looking like a villain. Let's go.
The next part is the dyeing process. So I asked 3 friends of mine what color I should dye my hair. One said pastel pink, the other said purple, the last one said to dye my roots purple and the ends pink, which is really creative. Thank you, my friends. After 4 days since I bleached my hair, you can already see the roots growing. So I'm using a cream to protect my forehead from the hair dye. So I'm just gonna smudge it around my forehead or my face to avoid getting it stained. So now I'm gonna separate the bleach hair from the rest of my hair to make it easier to apply dye. I'm using a purple and pink dye that I bought from a local chemist, then a mixing bowl, a tint brush, conditioner, clips, gloves, and an old t-shirt. I'm using a purple dye first to do my roots. Add conditioner to dilute the color and make it more like a pastel purple. As I dye my roots with purple, I make sure that it's fully saturated with dye so it won't be patchy. I'm rubbing it in so I won't leave any spots. I'm doing the same thing with the pink dye. I dilute the color with conditioner to make it pastel pink. I am now dyeing the ends pink while making sure I get the dye on all strands. So I'm doing this to blend the two colors and not end up with a harsh line. So I set a timer for 20 minutes before I can rinse my hair. So after 20 minutes, I'm just gonna rinse the dye out of my hair until the water runs clear. Let me look. There's purple here and then pink. I bought the hair dye. Pink. I towel dry my hair and let it air dry. As my hair is now dry, the color is brighter and vibrant than what I expected, but still look good. Apparently there are some spots that I left out and look patchy, but it isn't that noticeable anyway.